Hey, Betty Queens, get ready with me. And me thinking that I'm not gonna have school tomorrow is so crazy. Like, I'm like, in my head, it's like, there's gonna be no school tomorrow, no school tomorrow, no school tomorrow, because it snowed. And now it's like, I think that's gonna be like real. And I feel like everybody's like pain. Like, my friend next door, she literally set up like a bunch of things. She set up like curtains and stuff because of the storm is coming. And I asked her, why are you setting up a bunch of curtains so I can see y'all? And she goes, my parents are scared of a storm because it can damage people's houses. First of all, I don't think that storm is gonna do that much. Second of all, a storm, people think it's gonna be a crazy storm. I bet y'all that storm is gonna not even be that big, but hopefully it is. We'll just have to see what, because everybody's like, let's see what 2025 has to offer us. Let's see, people. And then the people aren't like, they're already being like, oh, let's give 2025 a chance. I said 2024. 2024 is gone, man. I was actually crying because 2024 was one of the roughest years. It was one of the best years of my life. I got to go to Outer Banks. I got to see Wicked. I had an amazing Christmas. And it's like, that's all over. And I am so excited to see what 2025 has to bring us. But if not, I'm literally gonna cry. Because 2025 ended so fast. It's 2020, but now I'm mixed on even my dates. 2024 went by. That was one of the fastest years of my life. Like, y'all don't even understand what I mean. That 2024 was roughest and the best. Because, y'all, Taylor Swift's Eras tour ended. That was really hard for me to, like, comprehend as a big Swiftie. Like, everybody just being like, yeah, Taylor Swift ended her Eras tour. Like, it was, like, so sad. Because those big Swifties that go to all of her concerts and crap, they're Swifties. And when I say Swifties, they're Swifties. Because they literally, I am McCall. If that's her name, I love you. You go to a bunch of concerts. You're living, like, I think I've said this to my mom before. I showed her, like, her account and crap. It's like, she's living my dream. Like, she's living my life's dream that I've wanted for ages. Like, I told my mom that. I was like, she's living the dream. And I was like, honey, because she works for that stuff. I was like, yeah, but also, she's like one of the best, funniest creators ever that I could ever imagine. It didn't come off. How do you get this off on the glow recipe thing? Like, it doesn't come off, I feel like. Why does it not? Oh. Well, that was easier than expected. Yeah. I literally love 2025. And I can't wait to see what it has to offer us. But it already offered me some bad things. So keep it up. offer me the worst things. Like, that's what's happening. That's what I feel like right now. Like, 2025, it feels like it's gonna be an amazing year, and then it comes to a, like, it sucks. And I feel like people in like 2 years are gonna be like 2025 sucked and I hated it. Like, I feel like in a few days people are just gonna be like, well, not in a few days, in a year, 12 months, it's like coming to me. Christmas was last month. Now we have to wait another 12 months for Christmas to get again. Oh, it hurts me. It hurts me so much, and I'm also using this. It hurts me so much to see that, like, all my hard work has paid off in 2025. And also, I was so sad when I found out that her air store was ending. I was crying. I was bawling. I didn't want to leave. Like, I know you're not supposed to do this, but I'm making my eyebrows stay sleek for bed. I feel like I am so excited to see if we have school or not, and if we don't, I swear I'm gonna go insane. Like, I'm gonna be like, yay. And then also have enough time for my outfit to be done, getting washed, cause the outfit I am wearing tomorrow, like, I'm gonna wear that, is literally not even properly washed. I have 3 pairs of black leggings, and 2 pairs are in the wash. So one of those pairs are gonna, I'm literally almost out. Y'all, I need to organize my vanity so bad. Cause, like, it's so bad. Like, just seeing my vanity, like, it actually is so bad. But y'all, if y'all are ready for schools start back up, comment down below. Bye, y'all. I hope you have an amazing week. And I hope God blesses you as much as He's blessed me throughout the years. And you know what? I hope you get to play Dress to Impress with me. So yeah. And I'm gonna post a video because I have something coming up for y'all. It's not really a surprise. It's actually for tomorrow night. So I have to do 2 different things. If you are watching this to the end, I'm still gonna make a video, but I'm going to be playing Roblox at 7:30 to, can y'all guess, to 8 o'clock on Monday, tonight, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then on Thursday and Friday, I'll be playing Life Together. I'll be playing Dress to Impress tonight, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then on Thursday and Friday, I'll be playing Life Together. and stocky glue on it, on that game. So yeah, if y'all want to see those, yeah, that's just like what it's gonna be like right now. Bye, y'all.